everyone. Welcome to Virtual Kids in the Kitchen with the Elyria Public Library System. I'm Miss Jenny from the West River branch, and today I'm going to show you how to make apple pie snack cups just in time for Thanksgiving. These are a really super quick and easy snack that you can make at home with just a few ingredients, okay? So you'll just need a graham cracker, you'll need an apple. Doesn't matter what kind, whatever your favorite apple is maybe, you could use that. You'll need some cinnamon applesauce and some whipped cream. Yum. Okay, so it's really easy. The first thing that you are going to do is you're going to take your graham cracker. I'm going to pull it out like this. And I'm going to break it up into little pieces, just like this. And this is going to be your pie crust in your cup, okay? So you're just going to break it. It's kind of messy and fun to do that. If you wanted to, you can put it in a Ziploc baggie and you could crush it with something heavy like a rolling pin or a mug or a can of soup. Or you can just break it apart with your fingers like I'm doing. That's pretty easy, like that. So I'll get this all broken up. Okay, that will be our pie crust. The next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to chop your apple up into some small little chunks. I'm using a sharp knife for this, so you might need to get a grown-up's help at home, but I'm just gonna slice it like this. I'm gonna kind of slice it like that. Now, if you want to, you can peel your apple at home if you don't really like apple peel, but I don't mind it, so I'm gonna keep the peel on mine, because I don't feel like doing that. But I'm gonna chop it into little pieces like this. So you can do that at home. Really quick and easy. Okay, and now we're ready to assemble our snack cups. So that's really all you need to do beforehand. So I'm just going to use this little clear plastic cup, and I'm going to put my graham cracker pieces in first. Remember, this is our pie crust, right? So it goes on the bottom. Put some in just like that. And then I'm going to put my apple pie, or my apple pieces, on top of the crust. So we're starting to build our apple pie, right? So there's that. And now I'm going to add some applesauce to the top so that we get some nice cinnamon flavor and the gooiness of an apple pie. So if you don't have cinnamon applesauce at home, if your applesauce is just plain, maybe mix some cinnamon in before this part, because you do want that cinnamon flavor. That's what makes it really yummy. So just put some right on top like this, as much as you want. Make it nice and gooey, just like that. And then the best part is we're going to add some whipped cream. I'm using Ready Whip, but if you have Cool Whip at home, any kind of whipped cream, we're going to put it right on the top like this. Make it look nice and fancy. And now you're ready to dig in with your spoon. That's it. That's how you make an apple pie snack cup. Thanks so much for joining me. See you next time.